parents, nakaka-proud talaga when we see our kids learning to take care of themselves and being responsible in their own little ways.
Ethan, are you done?
Yes, Mommy, I'm done.
Wow!
And it all starts with discipline, which comes from to disciple, meaning to teach. Kaya habang maaga, let's teach them the values and the life skills they need through discipline.
Pero syempre, our kids are still kids. May times talaga when they don't listen.
Ethan, can you please clean up your toys?
No.
In these difficult situations, how can we best teach our kids?
First, try to connect with them.
Ask yourself, why is my child doing this? You can only answer this pag connected ka with your child and you really know him well.
Because by connecting, let them know that you understand how they feel.
I know you don't want to clean it up kasi madami, but Mommy will help you, okay?
No.
Next, explain the consequences.
Carefully explain to them why this is important and what could happen if they don't act on it.
What will happen to the toy if natapakan mo?
Sira.
Oh, do you want that to happen to your toy?
No.
Next, redirect the negative energy into something fun.
Let's play basketball.
Really?
Yes! Oh, come on!
So kung may way to teach them things in a fun way like play, go for it.
And don't forget to reward their good behavior. Your praise and affection will encourage them to continue doing good.
It's time for your meal!
Yum, yum.
So parents, let's say yes to teaching our kids the life skills they need through discipline.
Please like and subscribe.